The Korea Aerospace Industries has unveiled the first mock-up of its KF-X indigenous stealth aircraft. The South Korean KF-X and Indian AMCA fighter jet have similar characteristics, as both the fighter jets will have a loaded weight of around 25 tons, and both fighter jets will be powered by two F414 engines. The KF-X project has an estimated development cost of around $8 billion, and Indonesia had signed an agreement to bear 20% of the development cost of the stealth platform, but there are differences over funding the program. The KF-X is slated to make its first flight by 2022 and enter production by 2026, while the Indian AMCA will be ready for production by 2035. The Indian Army has confirmed that it has recently received a new batch of indigenously built Dhanush artillery systems by the Ordnance Factory Board, and the first Dhanush artillery regiment has finally started to take shape, and the Indian Army will get all 18 systems by the end of 2019 to form the first regiment, which will be deployed along the borders with China and Pakistan. The Indian Army has also received the American precision-guided Excalibur ammunition last week, which has been acquired under the fast-track procedure. According to latest media reports, the Indian Defence Minister and the three service chiefs will look at the $3.1 billion procurement of 10 P-8I maritime reconnaissance aircraft for the Indian Navy at the next meeting of the Defence Acquisition Council. Officials have said, as the purchase comes after the signing of COMCASA agreement with the US, the equipments on the P-8I long-range anti-submarine aircraft will be changed, along with a difference in cost. The advanced short-range air-to-air system integrated on the Jaguar strike aircraft is ready for its first test, and the aircraft has overwing pylons for quick separation. The Indian Air Force will equip the ASRAM only on the Darren 3 upgraded fighter jets, which will continue to serve till 2034. The Indian Air Force has launched an exercise to utilize civil airport runways and services to validate operational exercises. The Eastern Air Command is conducting fighter jet operations from 6 airfields, and the exercise will be a part of capability build-up and training of undertaking operations from dispersed locations in case of an emergency. The Indian Army has planned to procure load-carrying drones and slow-moving unmanned aerial vehicles. The Indian Army has stated that the load-carrying drones would also be very helpful in providing logistics during winters at high altitude, and will be very effective in treacherous terrains both on the China and Pakistan frontiers.